first day out using the Longboard with the Extreme Blade Conversion Kit. Just like foiling takes more foot intelligence, the delicacy of foot pressure is dramatically increased with a board and 4 ice contacts. For me, the turns were slower, and granted, I'm not an advanced skateboarder by any means. I was a little more cautious after kicking the tail out. But as time went on, I started to use more delicate foot pressure. The Extreme Kit is a rather inexpensive way to turn your board over to a new season. Again, I'd love to see an advanced skateboarder using this kit. A great way to practice skills with 2 feet on a single platform. Here I end it with ice skates. Again, a much more confident blade for me, given my skills and age. Just completing a jibe.